They told me I needed to pick a niche to grow on here. But I rarely leave my house and I can't stick to just one thing. I've always wanted to be a content creator. So I chose the niche of doing whatever brings me peace in my home. Hi, I'm Umana and this is my cozy art space. Art is my passion turned business, but I don't have just one art form. Every other day I'm attracted to a new one. So expect a lot of sky, art, cozy corners, and the occasional rare outdoor moment. If that sounds like your kind of comfort zone, I would love for you to stay a while. Hi everyone. So we are going to unbox this huge yarn package. So this one's from Nordscape. Let me just open it and show one by one to you. Guys, guess what? I made my first ever plushie. Whee! I've made this cute bunny, a chick. Oh, so cute! And Mr. Bean's teddy. Also, guys, I have been absolutely obsessed with DJI Osmo Pocket 4 lately. I so want it. I so badly want it. I've been watching so many unboxing videos of it and it's so cute. Here is the plan. I am setting a goal to achieve at least a few hundred subscribers in a month or two, like 500 to 6 not 500, 800 to 900 subscribers maybe. Why not? And then finally I'm treating myself to it. What say?